Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Harbor Freight. Don't forget to hit the like button if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're walking in here. First thing we see the Bauer tool section. We got a big section here. We got the new power washer there, as you guys did see. Yeah, this is one thing that surprised me. This store does have a lot of open box as it is items like we used to see at the parking lot sales, but we're not necessarily getting the prices here. We're getting just a regular price. I tried negotiating price for one of these items, and he only discounted $25 off the generator, and that just basically it just didn't make any sense. Buying a used generator, if you could spend $40-50 more and get a brand new one with the warranty and everything. So not a as it is item for $300 basically, the generator I'm talking about. Yeah, but we got some other things here. Hopefully they'll clearance these things out. They'll put some percentages off and we can see some more savings. But yeah, this used to be the parking lot sale type of item you used to get. If you guys want to check out those deals, go to my channel, Toolhead147 parking lot sale. You guys are going to see some major prices drops, percentages up to 50% on some of the items. This is a new Bauer vacuum. Then we got some paint sprayers. If you guys use any of these paint sprayers, let me know in the comment section. I'm probably going to end up buying one of these. These are nice carts. Definitely some great budget-friendly carts there. And that's the credit card. If you guys haven't seen my video for the credit card, we do have a video for that explaining roughly how it works and how long it takes to apply and stuff like that. Got the Atlas there. Those are some new lights that they had. Light section, pretty empty, tell you guys the truth. It's been just horrible past months. This is a new item section here. Like I said, not a lot of new items. Most of the stuff we already seen. That's the new heat gun there from Bauer. Now we got some lights. We got some bandang winches at the bottom. Those are knee pad. That's a nice knee pad right there to save your knees. Got a solar panel there, 7 watt, maybe for the cell phone. Nothing else, just pretty much a cell phone. You can maybe charge a power bank with that. Save some power, and that's a hard hat right there. So a lot of smaller stuff, nothing major going on here. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, they do offer some plugs here for the tires. So yeah, and they do have a wide selection of hand tools. And I was just looking at this. I might get it for the channel so we can try torque specs and stuff like that, because I don't have a good torque wrench. Those are some great sockets there. Definitely recommend those sockets, those Pittsburgh Sockets. They're cheap and they work. They do the job. So I can't talk enough good things about these. These are great, especially now that they were designed and to make them a little bit more shinier. Yeah, this is see, I'm looking for a sale. This is if you buy a tool, you buy a battery and charger, they do discount $30 off, but you know what, it's still a little high in price. By the time you get to that price, you can probably get something cheaper in another store. So I'm not gonna go into the Atlas line yet. I'm gonna wait for a sale. So if you want to do that, these are great tools, don't get me wrong, they're awesome tools. That's why I want to get into this line, because they are great tools. I know they're premium. But hopefully they'll come out with a bigger sale, and then I can just buy a mower, because that's what I want to start with. I have a huge yard, and it's pretty much like a jungle in the back there, and it'll give you guys a good test for that mower. Now we got the generators here. That's pretty much the generator that we saw over there. So $49 more. If you get a coupon, you get it to like 300 and something. So $40 and you get a brand new one. So might as well just get a new one, right? With the warranty. But yeah, like I said, I'm just hunting for those deals. If I can get those deals, here's some good prices on these products, especially that Admiral, I believe it's $159. That's a good price for that. If it's brand new, it's a great deal. So hopefully somebody will get that one. I actually wanted to get it, but I was at work. I didn't have any room on. But yeah, that's a good deal. That's a good price for $159. If it's brand new, don't get me wrong, that's a steal. But yeah, they had some more items here. Then they had the Atlas pole saw here. I believe it was $79. But yeah, I was just surprised to see all these tools here. Definitely surprised. So, and they had some sockets. And then they had this earthquake. Nice earthquake gun there. So, yeah, a lot of great stuff here. And hopefully we can get a parking lot sale so we can start getting some more deals. Yeah, and they finally had these in stock. They did raise the price though. You know, they, with all this going on, you know, everybody's raising prices. 13, yeah, they raised it from $8 to like $13, $14. So you guys are gonna be buying these. Make sure you use your 20% off coupons. You know, if you see any glove coupons, take them. Obviously, I needed them for work, so I could only use one coupon, so that's fine. Then they got the fan. They got some lights there from Bauer. So if you're in the Bauer line, that's a great line to get into if you're at DIY. So yeah, definitely some great stuff there for you guys. And it's growing. It's growing every month. They're rolling out a new tool, so it's growing as they go. And same thing with Hercules. Hercules is gonna be growing. Not as big as Bauer, but they're just putting out new tools every month or so. So we should start seeing. And then I did hear from the Bear, the Dental Tools, that we are getting brushless sometime this year, I guess, or next year. I believe this the end of this year. So hopefully all this that's going on around the world will go away and or will normalize, and we'll start getting some more newer tools, newer brushless tools. I don't know if we were getting Bauer or Hercules. Yeah, these are the mowers. This is the mowers that I want to get into. Hopefully I can see if you guys want to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. That helps out the channel so we can buy tools like this. So I definitely want to help out, or want to get a tool like this so we can help out the channel, because I do have a gas mower. I mean, everybody used to have a gas mower. Everybody knows how that works. I just want to know how that works. And we got some solar panels there. If you guys don't know, I do have a solar system. I have a few videos on that. So anyways, just thought I want to share this with you guys. Feel free to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell to help out the channel. And we'll see you guys on the next one.